Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your work address on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. I'll be showing you guys this for the web version, as you can see on my screen. However, a similar process applies for the mobile version as well. So it depends on what you want to use. So I'll just be showing you this and explaining for the mobile version as well. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go into Google Maps and then tap this menu right over here and then go into your data and maps. Once you're here, you'll see your data screen where, as you can see, you'll see your maps activity and Google wide info and controls. Here, as you'll see your home address and your work address. And you literally just need to click on your work address and then you just need to enter that address, and that is pretty much it. And that's it for the PC version. However, for the mobile version, it is a bit different. Of course, you need to go into your Maps app and then just tap on your U option at the bottom of your screen, and then you can create a new list if you want to, and you can add any list of locations there if you want it. However, you can also, I'm pretty sure, go into your device settings, and then you'll be able to go to your profile or your data maps as well, and then you'll be able to add your Google wide options and Google wide information, addresses, and everything. So if you change this on PC, it'll work for the mobile version as well, or it'll immediately change it to on the mobile version as well, since it's just your Google account options and it's not specifically tied to maps. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.